drone show industry is developing very quickly. More and more professional teams appear on the market, and our drone show software team helps companies across the globe build successful drone show business. We see a demand for professionals, from designers of drone show choreography to drone show pilots. And it really seemed like a great idea to introduce to the younger generation what a drone show is and what it consists of. What if one of them now decides to connect his life with the drone show industry?
I believe that summer camp is one of the best experiences that everyone can get during the summertime. We have a summer camp that's called Language and Creative Technologies. That means that we actually love technologies. We use their power and opportunity to get ourselves connected to the world. We have different studios in our summer camp. One of them is studio of drones, flying drones. Very excited when we actually got this opportunity to have it in our camp. And what I can say, it was a huge surprise for our participants, and they believe that I think they believe that they can achieve like results of the future with these flying drones. It's like touching the future.
It certainly was a new experience. Usually our people we teach are much older. We usually teach other companies how to work with drones, how to do the first drone shows. It's usually our clients, but this way it was a particular challenge because it was really young kids, and you have to find specific approach for that. First we just worked on the shapes, then we start work on the colors, then we start working on animation. So yeah, I think we managed pretty well. They made several quite interesting visuals, and some of them really were like trying to push the limit of what is possible with trying to add more points or different colors and something like that. So, but yeah, it was a really interesting experience from that.
And they were competing to construct the drone themselves, and they seemed pretty invested in what they were doing.
New generation which is really interested into drones and what opportunities they provide, and how you work with them, and what kind of projects they can dream of. And I think we have to really get this curiosity for kids really early on.
I think this camp is about, in a big word, finding yourself.
It's all about the creation, all about telling the story that they wanted to tell. At least there was some indications that several kids were really interested in that. They were asking where can you get those drones, where you can purchase, how you can make them. So I see I feel optimistic about the future with the kids. That is one of the fields that they really can be interested in pursuing in the future.
I think every day there was a little surprise in something, and they really liked it because they could discover something new every day. Sometimes it was a bigger revelation, sometimes smaller, but every day it was happening, it was something.
I think that a lot of people were satisfied and very interested in exploring more in this field in the future, and I think it's one of the great results that we actually could give them during the summer camp.
Our team pays big attention to education. We're open for cooperation as it's a priority for us to promote the values of our beloved drone show industry. And we really enjoyed working with children. We saw in their eyes their response and interest. I think this project will be live on. In the meantime, we are preparing the third drone show competition for the entire community. Join and follow our news.